In this video, we are going to see about various tools and technologies used in data science. So if you want to become a data scientist and you want to know what technologies and what languages you need to know, or what technologies you want to be familiar about, all these information will be covered in this lesson. So when you think about programming for being a data scientist, there are so many programming languages. People normally use Python, they use R, Scala, they use Java, C++, C Sharp, whatever it is, but mostly people use Python. I normally recommend people using Python for programming and data science based projects. So it's quite a cool programming language. It's free and open source, and it is having a lot of third-party libraries and lot of cool visualizations. So it's a quite cool programming language, and it is ranked among the top programming languages in the world for the past few years. So the tools to be used and the tools we need to be familiar about for data science projects. We have Microsoft Excel, RapidMiner, Tableau, Anaconda Navigator for Jupyter notebooks, and we use Google Colab as well. So for Anaconda Navigator and Google Colab, I will give a special lecture or a tutorial on the installation and the usage of this IDE, and the same will be done for Google Colab. So if we think about Microsoft Excel, the name looks quite familiar among many people, and many people would like to use Excel because they are quite proficient with the Microsoft Office. Excel is actually a good tool for data scientists. Many companies are using Microsoft Excel because Excel has cool features like you can create your own formula, you can pivot the spreadsheet, and you can even use Visual Basic macros to get the data to be managed and processed. So Microsoft Excel, unlike other tools in Microsoft Office, it's an excellent tool for data science projects. You can even get Microsoft Certified Professional Certificate from Microsoft by majoring in data management and analytics. So this is one certification which is available with Microsoft for data science professionals. Next we have RapidMiner. I mentioned all the programming languages and so many other things with the Microsoft Excel. This RapidMiner is for those who don't want to get into programming. Some will be programming freak, or some will be quite okay with the programming. They can go with the programming languages, but there are some people who don't know programming and they don't want to learn a programming language, but they want to do projects in data science. For them also the options are available. There is a tool called RapidMiner. It is an IDE where you can just drag and drop like the UML based tools. You can just drag the tools from the left pen and drag it on the screen and connect it with the components. Then you can get the task done. This IDE is much easier to use, and this one is used by many projects, and even it is partially free. Like it is free for academicians and it is free for some trial version. But if you have a sound knowledge in data science, you can definitely use RapidMiner. You don't need to have a programming knowledge for using this tool. Next we see about Tableau. Tableau is not about programming. Tableau is not for data science modeling or data exploration, but this is for data visualization. If we have some data and we need to create some kind of graphical visualization, then Tableau is your cup of tea. So if we use Tableau, it is like a kind of a tool which is having some cool features to create visualization as flexible as we want. So it has more features and more kind of visualizations, and it is mostly used for data science based projects as well. Apart from all these tools, we have so many other tools like SAS, Power BI, MongoDB, MySQL and SQL Server and Oracle. These are the databases, while SAS and Power BI are some tools for data management and data processing. So these are other tools which are available. But in this lesson, we are going to see the working of MongoDB as well. MongoDB is one database which is used for even unstructured data. So it is quite cool, and it is like a very efficient database normally used by data scientists. So there are so many other tools available, and in the next video we will see about how to install and how to use these IDEs like Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebooks, Google Colab, and this MongoDB. So let's see about these concepts in the next lessons.